Welcome everybody to another short English lesson. Today we're going to talk about the pronunciation and vocabulary associated with the IP word family. So let's jump right in and get started. Hip, hip, hip. He hurt his hip while playing soccer. Dip, dip, dip. She took a quick dip in the pool. Lip, lip, lip. He fell and cut his lip. Rip, rip, rip. There is a rip in the sleeve of my jacket. Sip, sip, sip. She took a tiny sip of the hot tea. Clip, clip, clip. She has a colorful hair clip in her hair. Drip, drip, drip. The faucet is leaking. There's a drip. Flip, flip, flip. The gymnast can do somersaults and flips. Ship, ship, ship. We're going on a cruise ship next week. Trip, trip, trip. We're going on a family trip to the beach. So that's it for the IP word family. Practice and study, and you will improve your pronunciation and your vocabulary. This is Robert from Riddick's English, asking you to please remember to like, comment, and share this video. And as always, please subscribe to our channel so we can continue to grow. I'll see you next time with another short English lesson.